My name is Laura Schweitz, and I'm one of the AseptiQuik product managers for CPC Biotech. I'm excited to announce the launch of the AseptiQuik G PPSU high-temp sterile connector. The half-inch flow-path solution offers users even more versatility in bioprocessing, as it is ideal for harsh chemical applications while also compatible with multiple sterilization methods. This newest addition to the AseptiQuik G line of sterile connectors is BPA-free and made of durable, lightweight polyphenylsulfone, or PPSU. Similar to the purple tab PPSU already available, the new gold tab version can also withstand a wide range of pH levels from 2 to 12 and is compatible with gamma sterilization. What's different is the new gold tab version is also suitable for autoclave sterilization, supporting even more application opportunities. The PPSU flowpath material is resistant to many chemicals found in downstream processes like chromatography, filtration, and purification, and it's been tested against varying concentrations of chemicals like sodium hydroxide, benzyl alcohol, DMSO, and DMAC. As with all AQG variants, AQG PPSU High Temp has the same broad array of hose barb and sanitary fitting terminations to choose from. And regardless of tab color, all AQG connectors are designed to connect together. AseptiQuik products provide quick and easy sterile connections even in non-sterile environments. For more information, check out AQG PPSU High Temp at cpc-bio.com.